I want you to be afraid of failing. I fear failure. But more important, I want you to be horrified. I want you to be terrified of sitting on your ass and doing nothing. That is what I want you to be afraid of waking up in 6 days or 6 weeks or 6 years or 60 years and being no closer to your goal. You've made no progress. That is the horror. That is the nightmare. That is what you need to be truly afraid of.
There is so much power in failure because you learn so much from it. Right now, you had the ability to never have that debate inside your head. That's the debate you can never win. You can go back and forth, but there's no verdict. The jury's always going to be in a jury room. It's never going to come back saying, you did okay. What you will do is you will bury that deep inside. You won't tell anyone that you could have been this. You will be second best to your true potential. And you'll live your life fine. But then one of your friends is going to succeed in some endeavor. And you're going to hate him for it. Because his success is a spotlight shining down on your missed opportunity.
Your energy is going to go to the negative, and everything is going to be negative because that's where your focus is. That's where your energy is flowing. When your focus goes, your energy flows.
You don't have to worry about the winds that will most certainly blow around you, the obstacles, the negativity that will stand in your way. You don't have to worry about what other people will say. You just have to keep your mind on your course. Those winds may blow fast and furious, but if you know your path, if you know where you are going, they will help push you toward the dreams and goals and treasures that you have already decided you're going after.
You have no time to let fear, doubt, failure, quit, negative thoughts, or give up enter into your mental. See, you have massive potential. So from the moment you open your eyes in the morning, your mindset has to be win.
There's a biggie question. Where are my thoughts taking me? These are some of the things you want to make sure of. You might be able to be casual about some things, but here's some things not to be casual about. My philosophy is taking me somewhere. Big question, where? The accumulation of equity will either be there or won't be there. Life accumulates. And I'm either accumulating debt that I'll be sorry for, or I'm accumulating value that I'll be happy about.
If you fail, it's because you stop running. If you fail, it's because you stop grinding. You stop caring. You stop working. We will meet our dreams in our paradise. We will marry our dreams. We will hold them tight to our hearts. And we will make them ours. Make them ours forever. Come here, dreams. I'm chasing you. It's all on you.
The discipline of handling failure. The importance of knowing that it is coming, that you will go through times of it, and you will have to learn in the midst of it that it is one of God's ways of maturing us to become the women and men He would have us be. The statement I begin with that I resisted years ago and now embrace: it is doubtful God can use anyone greatly until He has hurt him deeply. You fear failure. If there's something you really would have to list on your list of fears, failure would be near the top, if not there, at the top. Tragedy in life, lack of adequacy, unable to succeed, an inability to perform, to accomplish, to reach your goals. Truth be told, this fear sweeps across all who are highly driven, strong-hearted people.